responsibility or the accountability should be more outcome based rather than anything else, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Can you explain that to our audience? What do you mean by that?
So outcome based means, so we put the regulations, right? So
Mm-hmm.
there will be regulations will come up, right? But if the regulations are too difficult to implement,
Mm-hmm.
so most of the times with the people, the model providers will wait. If it is a big model provider, like if they have the budget and all, they can do that one. But if
Mm-hmm.
it is a small startups, they could not offer that kind of report, audit report to generate it for the model, right? So
Mm-hmm.
what we should do that one is we should build these models in such a way that where your regulations in such a way that which where you are using the model depends on the risk of the model. Like, let's say if you are using the model for building a system that summarizing the data from a
Mm-hmm.
documents or something like that, that should be fine. There should be a tied regulation, like the regulations on those kind of models could be a little not restrictive. But if the model those are making the impact of the life, like you are putting the model in the healthcare or education or financial system, right? So the risk of the model is too high, so then you need to have a more stricter rules.
Mm-hmm.
So the tired way of having the regulation is a better way. So this tired way will help anybody to implement that one. So the
Mm-hmm.
a small startup, he can simply, if the rules are lighter, he can easily implement that one. And also the rules should be, the regulation should not be is like complicated. It should be very simple. The governments or the whoever the regulatory body should provide the frameworks to self assess the compliance of their product. So these some of these like simplicity in all of the things that we are bringing help us, all these providers, to implement these regulations, and that will give an outcome. You can clearly see that result of it.